Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage predictive text on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose General Management. Following that, you need to choose Samsung Keyboard Settings and click on this switcher next to Predictive Text. As you can see after that, Predictive Text is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!